Hey guys, just a quick heads up. I used to have two separate channels, one for the classics and one which was the filmmaker breakdown channel, which you're watching right now. So I decided to combine two of these together because I feel like it just makes sense. It's all about music, you know, but I will divide and separate everything through two playlists. So for the classic songs, I will obviously react mostly to the music itself, and for the filmmaker breakdown, I will look more to the visuals. So thank you for your understanding, and I'll see you in the next video.
So today we will be listening to Slipknot Before I Forget. My homie Anthony Ray actually introduced me to Slipknot, and even though I started listening to rock the last couple of years, I actually never listened to any of the Slipknot songs. And I gotta say that the first song he introduced me to was very impressive. I really liked it. It was pretty hard, but it was dope. Anyways, I'm Khan, I'm a photographer and a filmmaker and a music lover in general. And yeah, let's go. Let's see what this song is about. Okay, so from what I've heard until now, this is so cool. Like, they didn't waste any time, they just went full force at it, and I really like the singing part as well, but we need to hear the rest, of course. I'm rigged across the ditch and settled in the dirt. I'll wear you like a stitch. Yeah, I'm the one who's hurt. Pay attention to your twisted little indiscretions. I've got no right to win. I'm just caught up in all the battle. Locked in clutch, pushed in place. Hold your breath. Listen, I am a world before I am a man. I was a creature before I could stand. I will remember before I forget. Before I forget that. I am a world before I am a man. I was a creature before I could stand. I will remember before I forget. Before I forget that. It justifies my means. All I ever do is delay, but every attempt to evade the end of the road in my hand. It justifies my means. All I ever do is delay my every attempt to evade the end of the road. I am a world before I am a man. I was a creature before I could stand. I remember before I forget. Before I forget that.
Okay, so that was incredible. That was a performance. So I think it's very interesting that they didn't really show their entire faces. Like in the first Slipknot video that I saw, they were all wearing masks, and right now they actually showed the mask, yet they didn't show their faces. So I think that was very interesting. I really like the song. This is something I would definitely listen to, especially during a workout, because there's like different genres of like rock music. I mean, in some rock songs there's like more variations in tempo, and I felt like in this one it was more like just go mode, which I also like, but I don't always enjoy listening to this kind of rock all the time. So I'm not really sure what this song is about. Honestly, I always have a hard time telling just by the lyrics. So I did a little bit of research, and apparently it's about staying true to one's essence before ego or fame take over. And I feel like this is a very like common topic among artists, among people who become famous after a while. And it just goes to show like how hard it is to stay your true self when you get famous, when you earn a lot of money, because that actually starts showing the true characters of people. And it's also just not easy to get like not lured by all these things such as money and then drugs, sex, and all these kind of things. So I really get that, and I absolutely love the message of this song. I will definitely be listening to more Slipknot songs, and I will be adding them to my playlist. So this is only the second one that I listened to, so please let me know in the comments down below which one you would like me to do next. Khan out. Peace.